Hello my people, I don't come again. It's your ogbonge sister AB Media where they bring better story come I dey greet una wherever you are my new subscriber, God bless you all. I don't carry ogbonge story, don't come again nothing person no go see for this hour. Gist my people, na this Nkechi and the Bobrisky no be small thing for IG now. Two of them na cat and rat right now. If you see as the thing they go, then they fight themselves, they cause themselves no be small thing my people. I don't tire for Naija people I don't tire for all these celebrities. I don't tire for them. Abeg make dem dey take am sofri because me I no dey understand wetin dey happen. This thing is getting out of hand abeg my people, make una dey take am easy. All these things wey una dey do, all these things wey una dey do, something wey dey important una no go talk am for Nigeria. Na something wey no dey important na una dey like focus. I no understand now. This thing wey dey happen now wey be say all these Fulani herdsmen dey do many things, wey all this no money no food, una no care na wetin una dey fight una sef. Una wetin una suppose to fight una no go fight am. Our people abeg make una take am sofri make una take am sofri dey do the things wey una dey do na wonderful now. All this our celebrity abeg make una respect una sef. No be only una be celebrity in the world make una go look Beyonce, make una go look many people, go and see the way dem do. It's not African own is different. I don't know why their character is different like this. Respect yourself, dey your own lane, focus for wetin you dey pursue. No find person trouble, no go dey find waka dey find trouble up and down. Abeg me I no want to know who find trouble or who no find trouble. Abeg my people, abeg make una dey take am sofri because we no need all these things this time around. Wetin we need, we need something wey dey important, no be something wey no dey important. Abeg my people, na I carry this story come and say make I say my people wey dey like hear my ogbonge story, wey dey like hear my story. Now I carry the story come say abeg make una use una ear hear wetin dey happen. I no understand but if you wan hear wetin dey happen, make you go for IG, make you see wetin as you dey see as the thing dey blast out. Since today we never rest na so dem dey blast out theirself Bobrisky say make him go talk him go do something, he come dey talk no be small thing I see today, my eye no be small thing. My eye see a lot of things today abeg my people, make una take am sofri. This life wey una dey do like this, wey una dey blast out una sef, una go still leave all these things go abeg make una take am sofri. Take am sofri no dey, make una no dey find trouble fight each other. It's not good to make fight every time. It's not good. All these things we need to change all these things abeg. If na because of money dey make una dey do all this, dey behave, dey show all this kind character, I no understand. No let money control you people. Make una dey control money, not money go control you people. Abeg make una dey use all these big celebrities wey no dey make noise. Make una go check them out, make una see say they no dey even go their own, dem dey waka their own jeje. They no dey talk too much, dem dey respect theirself, they no dey make noise. I'm telling you, these our celebrities wey dey make noise up and down, people wey get money no dey make noise like this. I don't understand. Abeg no be only una dey for this Hollywood, no be only una dey for this Nigeria. Abeg, there's a lot of things wey dey wahala us for that Naija. Abeg make we focus for there. No be say una go dey carry una own wahala wey dey for una body, una go carry am come dey disturb us wey dey find people wey dey find money wey dem go use eat una go come dey use am dey waka dey find trouble up and down. Abeg my people, make una take am easy, make una take am easy because this thing is getting out of hand small time now una go make Nigerian government go put eye for now because all this thing wey una dey do, una dey disgrace us for outside. Una dey make a lot of things for outside wey be say the thing wey una no suppose to dey do una come dey do am anyhow. Abeg make una dey respect una sef una dey matured. We are not a baby. Everybody is matured here. Abeg make una dey take am sofri. Make we talk something wey we suppose to think about our governors, about our president, about what is happening in the world, about everything. Abeg I don carry another ogbonge story come. I don carry another ogbonge story come wey be dis actress wey dey act film, wey dey act Nigerian Hollywood actress. Oh, dis girl is very beautiful. You can see her car, her machine, her baby, her new baby. So you can see the car. My sister, God, congrats, oh, serious congrats to you. A very big congrats for you. It's not easy to get this kind of car, my dear. I congratulate you because it's not easy, my sister. When good thing happen to people, you have to rejoice with those people. You have to be happy with those people because this life, when you happy with someone, good thing will come for you. It's why I say make I bring am more. Make una help me tell am a very big congrats with this in car. The car enter, no be small car. But all this Hollywood now, the way dem dey take buy car now, I no understand o. Abi get another business wey dem dey do abi o. Abeg make una dey enjoy una sef o. No time. This life na once, so anything wey una know say e dey okay for una for to do, abeg make una dey do am, abeg. You understand? Make una dey do am o, dey manage una sef because this life now na once, so person no go come think. Abeg make una dey enjoy una sef o. The way wey una dey take buy car now, una dey enjoy o. Abeg make una dey enjoy, make una dey remember us o. Make una dey remember us for una kingdom. Abeg make una dey remember us. So my people, I don carry come o. Make una no dey mind me as I dey knack the story, as I dey waka the story. Abeg make una no mind me. Na your AB media wey dey bring better story for una come. Abeg make una help me tell her congrats. She's so beautiful and very quiet lady. I don't know, but the way I watching her video every time, I like her movie. Sometimes the way she will act, I like her movie. Very pretty. So my people, abeg wish am congrats. I don carry another ogbonge story wey just happen o, as e dey hot o. Na I carry this story come again o. All this our AK Nigerian police, the way wey dem dey take dey stop a person, the way wey dem dey take stop person, like say the person do one kind thing or the person do the kind of thing, the way wey dem dey take stop is why the way wey dem take stop this guy is why this guy just dey fear and he go do mistake, come go hit person. I don't understand what is happening in Nigeria. Nigerian police, go and learn how to be a police. Don't stop doing police and your police on mouth. The way wey dem dey take stop people, the way if you dey express dey drive now, Nigerian police will just dey stop you. They don't care. You go fit take break that time. They don't care. The way wey they go take stop you, they will just do pia. All these things wey dem dey do, okay, look at what is why the guy is scared. They don't want to stop. The guy now be run because the way this AK dey do, their wahala is getting out of hand. Is why this guy drive. Is why the guy drive rough because of all this our AK. AK too dey stop badly. The way the Nigerian police is stopping people, the way they stop even in express, they will see you be taking speed and coming. They will just come out as they like and just come and stop you. They don't know. They will not even. I don't know the kind of police people they put on police in Nigeria. Nigerian government, e just carry some armed robber and put as a police. If you want to be a police, you're not supposed to choose and know the kind of people you put in your police. Not anybody, they will just come and stop. Okay, is it not the new one they say they bring? EndSARS enter. After the ending SARS, this one no be new one. New people, no be the same character than they do. I beg. What is our government say? I don't know. You people don't care about people. I beg, the thing just dey wahala me. I say make I talk about this thing. You understand? This is the kind of mistake now. This guy now go and drive and hit someone. You know, Nigerian police, you have to be very careful. You have to be, if you're a police in Nigeria, you have to learn. You people have to learn a lot of things because some of you police in Nigeria, you don't know your job. You don't know your job. You just come because of say you be police. You just come out anyhow and be terrorizing people, disturb people the way you like. Now everybody will be blaming this guy, but because of you people, the way you people are stopping people, and if you say this guy no get sheshe, if you say no get money, he just want run make una no collect money for him hand. Now he can't do mistake now wey him do now. You see what the wahala wey come out. Abeg, Nigerian police, if you are a police, if you watch this video, abeg, make una know the things wey una dey do. Make una dey take am easy. This life wey una dey do, all this money wey una dey find, money, una dey video the guy now. No be money make you do am.
God go punish you. You no go fit go. Hey! Break up.
If you people ask this police, why do you stop? Shebi una don watch the video. Why do you stop this guy now? When you stop this guy before this thing happen, they will say they want to check the particulars, we want to check this thing, we want to check. Now because of money. Nigerian police, I don't know you people job. You guys are so, and people will be judging now. They don't know what happened there. Because the way you people stop people. When I travel to Nigeria, I know the way they stop. Even the driver will be, so they will just come out. If you say they hide, they will just come out. Stop, do this, do that. Give me something. If you don't give me something, you're not going. I was like, okay. I said, now what for these people? So my people, I beg. What they say, okay, make them they take time. Take time. Now people now they follow. No be people, no be say na animal now they follow. Even the animal, we're not supposed to give respect for animal. I beg my people, more they careful with all this AK, all this the one where they say they bring the answer have been end waiting. All of them are the same. I beg more na they careful. Well. Now the pursue way they pursue this guy. Now this guy doing this mistake, because he no go tell me. Now pursue wey dem pursue the guy, now make this guy do mistake. The guy wan dodge him head, na so he go no mistake. You understand me? Our people abeg, this thing is getting out of hand, and Nigerian government no dey do anything. Dem go just dey say they dey do their job. I don see the job you people are doing. You just sit. Nigerian government just sit on the chair, be chopping money and be eating. You wake up and sleep. You don't know what is happening in your country, and you are as a leader. When you're a leader, you have to learn how to lead people. Not you just sit on the chair. You don't know, you don't read news, you don't see what is happening in your country that you live. And after you say you are a leader, please guys, if you never subscribe to this channel, please subscribe and like. Please share this video so it can go viral, so people will hear what I'm saying. Because many people now, people will be judging, talking, hey, well, says the guy hit and this. Thank God nothing happened to that guy. If not, you understand? I beg, Nigerian leaders, make una dey learn, make una learn some things wey una dey do. Make una change for the things wey una dey do. Bye.